The air inside your home should feel clean, fresh, and comfortable. But over time, dust, allergens, and debris can build up inside your home's air ducts. Homeowners in Allentown, Pennsylvania, trust PJ Mac HVAC air duct cleaning for professional residential air duct cleaning. Our trained technicians use powerful, industry-grade equipment to clean your duct system thoroughly and safely. We remove contaminants that circulate through your home every time your system runs. Cleaner ducts mean improved airflow, better HVAC efficiency, and healthier indoor air. The result? A cleaner home, fresher air, and greater peace of mind for your family. As a trusted local company, PJ Mac HVAC air duct cleaning delivers honest service and dependable results. Breathe easier in your home. PJ Mac HVAC air duct cleaning, helping Allentown families breathe cleaner air. How do I know if my home needs air duct cleaning? Common signs include visible dust around vents, musty odors, allergy symptoms, uneven airflow, or recent home renovations. How often should residential air ducts be cleaned? Most homes benefit from air duct cleaning every 3 to 5 years, or sooner if there are pets, smokers, or residents with allergies or respiratory conditions. What are the benefits of residential air duct cleaning? Benefits include improved indoor air quality, better HVAC efficiency, reduced dust buildup, lower energy bills, and enhanced home comfort. Where is PJ Mac HVAC air duct cleaning located? We are located at 1132 Hamilton SD number 203 Allentown, Pennsylvania 18101. Our phone number is 610-672-3042. Visit our website, www.pjmachvac.com/air-duct-cleaning-service-allentown/.